Vanakkam friends, the stock which we are going to review this time is Tata Consultancy Services. We have noticed the stock has corrected from its recent high post its results. So now while looking at the Harley chart, this falling trend line is supposed to be broken for any momentum to gather, and at the same time the support will be like this lower low, which is like 3156 3156. As long as this 3156 is holding on closing basis, I mean to say Harley closing basis, it can rise further and try to break this trend line. We will gain further momentum only and if we are closing above this trend line. So in that case we can expect a target of around 3297 to 3300. This is for the short term purpose. Short term in the sense I mean maybe for a week's time or 2 weeks time. Okay, now we will see the medium term outlook for this particular stock. This is the chart of same TCS but in daily time frame. Over here if you notice, this pink color line which I have placed is the 100 moving average. Despite all the correction, the stock is continuously taking support at 100 moving average. At the same time, this trend line is also giving a support for this particular stock. If and only we close below this particular trend line or the 100 moving average for 2 continuous days, we can expect a correction till 3034, that is 200 simple moving average. This moving average will not remain same for quite long time. It will get changed often based on the calculation of previous 200 days. Okay, so as long as this level holds, we can expect the stock to bounce again and retest the high of 3395 to 3400 in 6 months time. We have seen the short term and medium term outlook for TCS. While coming into the long term, I mean to say the not for the traders, this is for pure investors. This is one another stock like HDFC Bank in banking sector. This one will be a giant in IT sector. So you can buy this stock at any rate, any time, any day. Over a period of 5 or 10 years, you will be definitely sitting in profits. But for that, do, don't go and invest in one go. As I said earlier, SIPs are the best way for investing for long term. So please follow such approach while doing for long term, and it will be like assets for your next generation. Okay, let's wind up today. We will see the next review based on your votes, which will be posted during next week in our Telegram channel. Thank you. Subscribe and stay tuned in our channel for seeing more useful videos like this. Once again, thanks all. Bye.